My name is Kevin Hilton. I'm from Castlewood, Virginia. I own Little B Enterprises. We're a contractor. We do grading and water and sewer work, and we have been in business for 50 years. This year is our 50th year in business. It's a 1975 Brockway U360. It's got a 12-cylinder twin-turbo Detroit engine in it. It's got a 13-speed transmission and 44 Rockwell rears. When my dad first bought the truck, we were in the mining business, he was, and in 1975, the coal miners went to Washington to protest some new laws that had been passed. So the way they expressed themselves is everybody took their coal trucks to Washington, D.C. So that picture is a picture of this truck in front of the Capitol building in 1975. Dad wound up selling this truck, and it wound up in Massachusetts. And I found out about it, went and got it, and brought it back home to restore it because it was the first truck that my dad had ever bought. Our main goal when we restored this truck is to make it look as it did when it was delivered new. We had to totally strip the truck down to 2 frame rails. It was in pretty bad shape, a lot of rust, and we had to just start back. We had to fabricate a lot of parts. We done all the work in-house. My mechanic that works for us, Alan Hicks, done the work and is absolutely wonderful at what he does. And we had to just completely rebuild this truck. It took a lot of parts chasing. It's hard to find parts for these things because Brockway went out of business in 1977, and it was a pretty big feat, but we made it happen. So all the lighting on it is as close to original as we could possibly get. The engine was totally refurbished and painted, and it's all original. All the running gear in the truck is original. All new paint, and the colors are very similar to the way it was when it was brand new. We tried to replicate that as close as we could. But actually, the interior, I found a new interior from a friend in New York that was in the Brockway plant when it closed down in 1977. And this guy had bought it up, and so it's got brand new factory interior in it that was produced in 1977. It took us 2 years, almost to the day, to make this happen. We'd done this for my dad. He had sold the truck, and he hardly ever sells anything. And when I found the truck and told him I was going to go find it and bring it home and restore it, he thought I was crazy, but once he seen it in our shop become a truck again, he fell in love with it again, and he was really proud of it. We finished the truck, totally, completely finished it on a Friday, and he passed away the next Monday.